Hey guys, this is Swaram again, and in this video we will talk about how you can integrate Stripe with your ClickFunnels account. Alright. In the previous video, we have seen that how you can integrate PayPal V2 account with your ClickFunnels so that you can accept payments online. And in this video, we are going to talk about how you can integrate Stripe with your ClickFunnels account. The main difference between PayPal and Stripe is that if you have Stripe payment gateway connected with the ClickFunnels account, the user would be able to check out without leaving your sales funnel page. All right. Rather than if you have PayPal, it will redirect you to the PayPal website or a pop-up or shows a pop-up to check out. And also, people ask about the all the address details of the users, even if you are selling digital products. And in other case, Stripe will not ask any kind of address details if you are selling digital products. All right. That is not a mandatory. So let me quickly share my screen. And the requirement before sharing my screen, the requirement for the ClickFunnels and Stripe integration is that you must have an approved Stripe account and the currency should be a dollar so that you can accept payments online in USD. And let me share my screen with you so that I can show you how you can integrate ClickFunnels with your Stripe account. All right. So what you need to do is navigate over here to the account settings, and here scroll down a little bit, and here you would be able to have an option payment gateways. And in this video, you would be able to manage all the payment gateways you have already integrated. So since in the previous video, I have shown you how to integrate PayPal. So it is showing a PayPal V2. And to add the new payment gateways, click on add new payment gateway button. Select Stripe. Since I am using since I am using ClickFunnels Platinum account, so I would be able to connect three Stripe accounts, and the users who has ClickFunnels basic account, they would be able to connect only one Stripe account. All right. So to connect a Stripe account, just click on the create a Stripe account, and in this section, provide the default name for your Stripe account so that you may later understand which Stripe account you are using for the which kind of sales funnel. If this Stripe account is default for all kind of transaction, I will check this mark to make a default Stripe account to accept payments online. And if I am enabling this, that means I do not need to select my Stripe account again and again in my product funnels. All right. So to connect a Stripe account, click on create a Stripe account, and it will redirect you to the Stripe website. Click on connect with Stripe, and it will redirect you to the Stripe website. Here you will be able to connect choose your Stripe account. If you are not logged in, it will ask you to log in to your Stripe account. All right. So even you can switch users over here. And let's say you have multiple business accounts under your one Stripe account. All right. So you can switch and choose the different business accounts for your transactions. Since I have already one business account, so I am choosing that. And to connect my Stripe account, click on connect my Stripe account. It will redirect you back to your ClickFunnels account and displays a message successfully integrated Stripe billing. Let's get started. All right. So later, if we want to edit or delete our Stripe payment gateway, so I can click on the manage payment gateway sections, and here I would be able to manage my all payment gateways integrated with my ClickFunnels account. All right. So this was a quickly video how you can integrate your Stripe account with ClickFunnels to accept payments online in a very native way without leaving Windows. All right. In the next video, we will talk about how you can clone the sales funnel from in your ClickFunnels account if you have Askmefunnels membership, or even if you want to share your funnel with someone else. And in this next video, we will talk about how you can clone sales funnel. All right. Stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.